National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Buckingham County until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shepherds, or near Dillon, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dillon, Shepherds, and Andersonville.